How to make an Amazon account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can make an Amazon account, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to make an Amazon account, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all you can open up the Amazon app, or you can open your browser and instead just go to amazon.com as well. You can create an account either way. Once you've gone ahead and went to amazon.com, you have to tap the sign in option from the top right hand side of the screen here, and then here you can see create account option from the very top. Just make sure to tap on it. Now all you have to do is just make sure to enter the phone number as well as the email address over here. So let me also go ahead and make sure to enter my email address in this case. Once you've entered the email address here, you just want to make sure to create a password, so you can just suggest a strong password or whatever else you prefer over here. Once you've done that, just tap the verify email option. Once you tap the verify email, what it does is that it's going to send a verification code to your email application. So open up email, just tap the Amazon one, and then once you tap on the Amazon email and verify it, you'll be able to successfully create your Amazon account. So this way you can go ahead and then basically make your Amazon account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.